do some simple tasks here in Excel. So we are going to calculate the total sales per region. This is our data here, and we are going to calculate the total sales by the sales representatives using the same data. So I'm going to show you the easy way given a large sum data like this or a more complex one. So let's begin. So what you can basically do is come here to the insert, a pivot table. So we're going to select a range. So let's select this whole data to there. So here choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. So let's use the existing one. So let's use the existing worksheet. So here is our pivot table fields over here. So what we want is to calculate the total sales per region. So select the region and drag it to the rows, and select the sales and drag them to the values. And there we have our region over here and the sum of sales. You can just rename this. And rename over here. Let's call it the region. Yeah. We have already done our first question. So in region A is the solution over here. The grand total for the whole regions is this one. So let's do for the total sales per sales representative. So click there. So we have to calculate the sales representative, the sales, total sales per sales representative. So what we are going to do is take the region. Let's use the sales representative. Take the sales representative, drag it to the filters, as you can see right now. So here we have the region and the total sales. So if you click here and select maybe Brian, let's say okay, here are all the sales made by Brian in those whole regions. So in region A, the total sales for Brian is 87,556, and so on and so forth. If you select for Salim, the total sales are here. The total sales for Salim. So the total sales per sales representative are those ones. So we can also add them to the columns. So let's do that. Press here. Let's try it. So as you can see, in region A, Brian got these ones, Wantai these ones, Osman these ones, Salim these ones, and the grand total was this one. So from our previous calculation, they calculated the total sales per region. The total was, here were the totals, as you can see, they match. So you have already solved your two questions. Thank you and join me.